Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Pro1 T705 thermostat not working, HVAC power, wiring, settings and reset. To quickly fix a non-working Pro1 T705 thermostat, check or replace the AA batteries and ensure your HVAC circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and then verify the unit is set to the correct mode, heat or cold. Now hard reset the device by popping it off the wall plate for at least 10 seconds. Fix 1. Replace the batteries and power cycle. Gently pull the thermostat straight off its wall subbase and install fresh AA batteries and then check the battery orientation. Now leave it off the wall for about 10 seconds to clear the system cache, then snap it back on. Fix 2. Check the HVAC breaker and furnace. Now check your home's main electrical panel and ensure the breaker to your furnace or air handler hasn't tripped. Then check the physical on/off switch located on or near your indoor furnace/air handler unit. Fix 3. Verify system and schedule settings. First, override schedule. If the temperature is changing on its own, your thermostat is likely stuck in a daily program. So press the hold or override button to lock the unit at your desired temperature indefinitely. For mode settings, make sure the system switch is explicitly set to heat or cool and that the target temperature is at least 3 to 5 degrees above for heat or below for cool the current room temperature. Fix 4. Inspect wiring and the internal fuse. Now pull the thermostat off the wall and look at the terminal block. And make sure all the wires, especially the R, W, Y, G, and C wires, are securely clamped in their terminals. And if you have no C wire, which is the common wire, and rely completely only on batteries, check that the battery contacts are clean and free of corrosion. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.